After last video on common size, no, I was just checking. We never did common size. We did comparative financial statements, and now I am talking about common size statement. You're right, Mr. X. So common size statements are those in which individual figures are converted into percentage to some common base. Percentage of each individual item shows its relation to its respective total, that is total assets or total liabilities or total net sales. In the income statement, the sales figure is assumed to be 100. आपका प्रॉफिट किस में से है? सेल्स में से. So sales will be treated as 100%. And all the figures are expressed as a percentage of this total. Okay. In case of balance sheet, the total fund available are considered as 100 and all figures are expressed as a percentage of this total. For example, if the total fund available in the balance sheet is 16 lakhs and building is 4 lakhs, then formula is amount of building divided by total fund available into percentage. Steps to prepare common size balance sheet. Enter the number of items in balance sheet. Enter the absolute amount of different types of assets and liabilities of previous year in the balance sheet. Enter the absolute amount of different items of assets and liabilities of current year in the balance sheet. Enter the percentage relations of different items in balance sheet to total assets and total liabilities of the previous year, which are taken as 100, and enter the percentage relation of different items of current year with the total as 100. मतलब क्या? देखो इधर, ये आपकी बैलेंस शीट है, चकाचक. यहाँ पे तो एक ही साल की दी है. यू आर रिक्वायर्ड टू प्रिपेयर कॉमन सेंस स्टेटमेंट, वो तो हमने डिस्कस किया था 2 साल का दिया होगा, तो यहाँ पे एक ही साल का दिया है, तो प्रीवियस ईयर के साथ कोई सवाल ही नहीं है. सो व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू डू? वेरी सिंपल, सोर्सेज ऑफ फंड्स. ठीक है. सोर्सेज ऑफ फंड्स में आपका है, पहला है ओनर्स फंड्स. उसमें इक्विटी भी है, प्रेफरेंस भी है, रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस भी है, सब कुछ है. आपकी टोटल क्या आती है? 16,30,000. So 9 lakhs divided by 16,30,000 into 100. 80,000 divided by 16,30,000 into 100. 11,30,000 divided by 16,30,000 into 100. 3 lakhs divided by 16,30,000 into 100. 2 lakhs divided by 16,30,000 into 100. 5 lakhs divided. Now, if this total is 16,30,000, तो ऑब्वियसली ये जो परसेंटेज में कैलकुलेट करूंगा, इसका भी टोटल ऑब्वियसली क्या होना चाहिए? 100%. सेम थिंग आउट हियर. 9 lakhs divided by 16,30,000 into 100. 1,50,000 divided by 60,30,000 into 100. Current assets and current liabilities, the same logic, and this total also has to be 100%. मैं बार बार आपको ये समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि ये चैप्टर कोई डिफ़िकल्ट चैप्टर नहीं है, बट ये जो मैं आपको ओरली समझा रहा हूँ ना, 9 lakhs divided by 16,30,000 into 100, यहाँ पे आपको आंसर रेडीमेड है 55.22%. दिस यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट, एंड लाइक दैट यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट फॉर एवरी फिगर. हियर इट इज ओनली 1 year फिगर. 2 साल का दिया होगा तो 2 साल का. So is it difficult? No, it is not difficult. But will it take time? Yes, it will take a lot of time. It will take a lot of time. I prepare common size statement for the year ended 19 and 20. So the year it is 2 years. So what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to do the same thing. आपका सेल्स का फिगर फॉर 19 इज 5 lakhs, दैट इज 100%. आपका सेल्स का फिगर फॉर 20, मतलब 18-19 इज 5 lakhs and 19-20 is 6 lakhs, दैट इज 100%. Cost of sales, so 3 lakhs divided by 5 lakhs into 100. Gross profit, 2 lakhs divided by 5 lakhs into 100. Administrative expenses, 55,000 divided by 5 lakhs into 100. Selling and distribution, 50 to 500 divided by 5 lakhs into 100. Exactly same thing for the second year. So for God's sake, understand, it is not difficult, easy, blah blah blah. आपके बैलेंस शीट में आपकी बैलेंस शीट की लायबिलिटी साइड की टोटल या एसेट साइड की टोटल आपका बेस है. आप उसके साथ हर एक फिगर को कंपेयर करेंगे. एंड इन इनकम स्टेटमेंट सेल्स विल बी अज्यूम टू बी द बेस फिगर. उसके साथ आप हर एक फिगर को कंपेयर करेंगे. राइटो, दैट्स ऑल अबाउट कॉमन साइज. रिमेंबर, इसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन इज बाय टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट एंड it's very practical stuff for them, not for us, and I am not into those discussions to make things really fascinating for you. If they ask as a compulsory question, which I don't see any chance, but if they ask and there is no choice, then we need to sit and calculate, then you must know once again how to calculate. I have definitely discussed this in the class, but I just thought I should put up a video of 10 minutes each so that at least you know the chapter, just few minutes before the exam also. That's all guys. Bye. See you.